Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP continues to hold our support area there. And we have still only three waves down from the high. So the yellow scenario still allows for one more low. Quick reminder here, we're tracking two pathways. Both are currently based on the assumption that a larger degree fourth wave indeed bottomed here on the 3rd of February. So the larger degree fourth wave possibly bottomed. That's at least one of the scenarios I'm tracking. I only want to focus on the shorter time frame. I did talk about alternative larger time frame scenarios in previous videos. In this video, I want to just give you a quick update about the shorter time frame, because not too much happened. But just in short, should the market break below the red line, which is the invalidation point, and the swing low from the 3rd of February, then I will assume that this fourth wave is still unfolding and the main support level shifts to $1.20. At the moment, it's at $1.76, or actually it's $1.95 with invalidation at $1.76. The difference is that below $1.95, we don't have an invalidated pattern, but we are in no man's land between support and the invalidation point, okay? Because probabilities already start to shift towards, well, a breaking pattern, a breaking setup, an invalidation that's possibly around the corner. So when we then take a look here at the possibilities on the smaller time frame, we are tracking a correction which started at this 3rd of February high. We can track this as a so-called ABC structure in the yellow scenario, where the C wave should be a 5-wave move. Typically, that's the most probable scenario, and it would have to be an ending diagonal. However, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 might have topped with a wave 5 to the downside to come. So 5 waves down in C. The resistance is located between $2.30 and $2.46, and you might wonder why. It is simply calculated based on the length of the third wave. That's how we track this. That's how we get resistance for a fourth wave, because I mean, in the yellow count, it might even be the case that the fourth wave is still unfolding. So see that the fourth wave might simply unfold here as, again, it doesn't need to, it's just resistance. So it could very well test resistance again. And therefore, if it does it, it could easily be the yellow scenario, yeah, a wave C of 4, and then go down. We cannot say it will go there or not. You know, it's just resistance. It's the set of parameters which you could say keeps the pressure down. But we are now, as you can see, very close to possibly the end of this correction. Maybe we've bottomed already, but it's impossible to say. So if we've already bottomed, then the price should see or give us a break above 246 over the coming sessions. And then we should, well, form that third wave up, 4 and 5. 5 waves up. I need 5 waves up above resistance for a clear indication that the price is actually bottomed there in wave 2, and that is the white scenario. Yeah, 5 waves up. So looking at the yellow pathway, then we could get one more low, and in that case, 195 is support. So that could be the next downside target as well. And overall, this is still a sideways range, so not very exciting. But what would happen if we break above 246? And you know, obviously the base case is that the wave 4 bottomed on the 3rd of February. So either directly or after one more low, we would like to see the price eventually break above that recent swing high from the 15th of February, because that's a significant one. It's not only that, it's a bit of a range there. 3rd of February high, this swing high, the previous one from the 20th of February. So there's a bit of a cluster of resistance. Once we clear that, we can shift the focus towards the 340 level, or 335 to 340, which is where the all-time high is. And then that would be the next area of resistance. Then we can watch for $5, $6 beyond. So not much more to say at the moment. I mean, all I can say is, in addition, maybe that this initial rally was a 3-wave move up. So it's not clearly bullish yet. We're in a bit of a holding pattern. But yeah, that does not rule out that we go higher from here. I just marked it with a question mark because there's no evidence. Okay, that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.